Hey everybody, I am back here and I have something I'm super excited about. This is a product line that I did not expect to buy and I kind of surprised myself with it. So today I am doing kind of a Colourpop / Fourth Ray unboxing, and so I have the box here and I'm really excited to open this up. So let me tell you a little bit first about my channel, so that way if you're new here, you know that you should definitely give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I am all about finding vegan and cruelty-free skincare, makeup, and honestly anything else beyond. I just finished testing out the Pacifica Vegan Ceramide line, and I'm going to be posting up very soon my review on that, so I'll post a link for it up top here. And I was trying to figure out what skincare line I was going to try out next, and I have a bunch that are on my I want to try this list. Fourth Ray skincare was not anywhere on my radar. I did not even plan on it, and actually I was like, I'm really happy with some of the skincare stuff I'm using. I really want to do some more makeup videos. I think I'm gonna wait to do another skincare video for a while, but I've been searching for a new overnight lip mask. The one that I've been using is from my old MLM. That's the last thing that I'm using still from the MLM that I was with for 5 years. Side note, if you want to know why I quit my MLM, let me know in the comments. If I get enough people commenting, I will do a video on that. But back to this. So I was looking for a new overnight lip mask and was looking and looking. I don't want to be spending tons of money every time because I use a lot of it. I love putting on lip masks at night, and my kids use them too. So I wanted to find something that wasn't too expensive but that would work well, and I found Fourth Ray Skincare. I didn't even know it was connected to Colourpop. I had no idea. But when I figured that out, I'm like, okay. So Fourth Ray Skincare is the skincare line for Colourpop. And so here's the box, and it has Colourpop up at the top. It says special delivery, and let me open it up and show you. It's really nicely packaged. It has like layers and layers of bubble wrap here. And it has this Colourpop, you deserve a star. So Fourth Ray Beauty is completely vegan and cruelty free, so that's really nice. So I found these, let me pull them out, these overnight lip masks, and I'm really excited for these. I've been out of everything and I really needed something new, and this was actually on sale. It's like a little trio set. I really like the watermelon ones, but this one is coconut rose and strawberry, not watermelon. I thought it was watermelon. Oh, that's a bummer. That's all right. Coconut rose and strawberry. I don't really love rose, but let's try it and see. So let's try it out. It says Lip Hooray Lip Mask Trio. It's a really cute package, but it's like really packaged up. Okay, so let's try the first one. The first one is coconut. It smells like coconut. Let's try this one. I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. It's like a little bit more lip balmy, but it does melt to my fingertip. That's not bad. I like it. It's not bad. It's not the same as what I was using, so it might be a little adjustment. Let's look at the rose and see what it smells like. Oh, actually, the rose actually smells really good. I'm surprised that I like it because it smells like rose, but it's really faint and it almost smells yummy, if that makes sense. All right, and then we have the strawberry last. Oh, the strawberry. It smells like artificial strawberry, but I kind of like it because it reminds me of when I was a kid. So I'm glad I have those. We'll try those out and see how we do. And of course, this is a whole skincare line that I'm gonna try out for about a month, and I will come back and review it and let you guys know what I think. And I actually went online to a lot of different, well, I kind of just searched to see what other people's opinions were of Fourth Ray Skincare, and everything was coming back really positive. So we will see. I got a lot of fun goodies. Let me take it all out of the box. Ooh. Look, I made a little statue. Okay, oops, now I'm dropping it. So why don't we start with the littlest one? This is the Water Drop Hydrating Eye Gel. So, you know I'm all about an eye cream. I love a good eye cream. And right now, my favorite eye cream that I'm using is not actually an eye cream. You know, usually you can use any kind of face cream, face moisturizer around your eyes. But the problem I have is I like a really, really thick one that is gonna stay in place and won't feel like it's gonna run into my eyes. And I really like Happy Dance, the face moisturizer. I love it. I'll link it down below. I use it on my face at night and I use it around my eyes. I think it's amazing. So I have a video that I'm prepping for, and I haven't actually started to film it yet, of a bunch of different eye creams. I've been collecting a lot of them that I'm going to try a lot of them out and let you know what I think. So this one I can add to it and let you know what I think. Oh, this one's kind of watery. I guess since it's hydrating gel. Okay, let's see. Grab my little mirror. Okay, let's see. Oh, it feels really nice though. Like, it feels really hydrating. I kind of like it. Even though it's thinner than what I would love to have, I mean, it feels good. Oh, that feels really good actually. Oh, I actually would like to have this for my whole entire face. It's like a little thicker than like a serum, but it's not like a moisturizer. It's kind of hard to describe. It feels really good. Like my eyes feel like awake. I don't know how that's gonna dry down though, because it is so like watery jelly, but I don't think it smells like anything. I don't know. We'll see. That's cute though, isn't it? Okay, what's the next thing we should look at? Let's look at the Milky Cleanser. So this is Cloud Rank Milky Cleanser, and it is 98% naturally derived. You can use this AM PM. It says it's hydrating. All right, let's see. It's like really pretty bottle. Pop, 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 pop. All right. It does look really milky. Oh, it smells really good. Like, it smells super clean, like really fresh. This actually makes me really excited. Like, this smells really good. Like, it doesn't smell like yummy good. It smells like really like clean good. I'm so excited. And I'm going to start using this all tonight. It's right now, this marks my month start. So, oh, how cute. These boxes are so cute too. Like, I really like the colors. They're like so pretty. And okay, so I next got this coconut face milk. They have so many different kinds of face milk, and one of the ones that I saw James Welsh talk about was the oat face milk. So I actually wanted that one because he said he liked it, but that one was sold out. So I got the coconut. I really like the smell of coconuts. So here's the package. Again, it looks really pretty. Oh, it's like really white. It's like so white. Huh. It's like really a lot thicker than what I thought it would be. There. Like, it's, oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. Okay, let's put some of this on. Oh, it smells good. Oh my gosh, I like that. Okay, I I hope I like this stuff long term, because so far I'm really happy by it. Like, it feels really good on my skin. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Okay, next is Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. I wonder why I got a hyaluronic mist for. That doesn't sound like, why would I get a hyaluronic mist? I wonder if I saw somebody recommend this, so it says Do It. It's all clear. It looks really nice. Let's read what it says on the box. Okay, the routine. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from face. Close eyes and mist liberally. Shake before use. Let's give it a try. Okay, shake it. Let's pull my hair back. I got bangs since last time I filmed. Did you guys notice that? I had COVID like so bad, and like my whole family did. Kids got over COVID fast. My husband got over it fast because he got medication for it. He was really sick though. Me, I like hung on, and I fell down the stairs while I had COVID, and I already had a bad foot with plantar fasciitis, and then I heard it worse falling down the stairs. Long story short, let me see if I can show you. I'm in a boot. I have a boot on my foot. Tomorrow I go back into the foot doctor and she's gonna give me a cortisone shot in my foot. Not looking forward to that. Okay, so let's try this. So things have been crazy, so I'm sorry I haven't been as good about editing, getting my videos up and getting them recorded. I actually have like 7 videos I'm gonna try to record in a row right now, so I can just work on editing. Okay, ready? 10 to 12 inches. This smells like cucumbers. I don't know if there's cucumbers in it, but it kind of smells like cucumbers to me. Look at my face, it's all wet now. Where did my mirror go? It is really wet. Oh, that's definitely not something you want to do over makeup. I actually think I'd rather spray this in my hand and like press it onto my face, maybe, because that was quite something. But I thought my face was gonna feel really wet, and it doesn't feel as wet as it looks. Interesting enough. Huh. Well, that was actually kind of refreshing. I kind of liked that. All right, next. So that was the Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. Like, who doesn't like a hyaluronic acid? So I did that before I'm going to do lotion, because you want to seal in hyaluronic acid with a good moisturizer. So we have, this is the moisturizer. It's the Daily Facial Moisturizer. Oil-free goodness. Let's see. Use me on the daily, it says. I wonder if they all said something on the inside. Oh, need face milk. What does this one say? Freshen up your eye candy. This one said, how do you do? How do you do? That's the Do It Hyaluronic Face Mist. And the cleanser says Cloud 9. You know, all of this is really cute. And I think it was James Welsh that I saw that he was like, he felt like all this was like marketed towards younger girls. But I have to say, it's really appealing to me, and I'm 49, so I have iced coffee. All right, let's move on. This just smells really fresh too. I don't feel like there's a lot in here, but maybe there's more in here than what it looks like. But it is so thick. It looks so good. You know, I just love like a nice thick face cream. It's really thick. It's like really super thick. Look at that. It's like, oh, looks so nice. Maybe I'll take my mirror from over here and put it on. Okay. I have a mirror here, sorry. Oh my gosh, it smells like, I didn't really smell it when I put it on my hands, but when I put it on my face, I can smell it. Like, I don't know what it smells like. Okay, this is what it smells like to me, and maybe I'm wrong, but it kind of smells like cucumbers and watermelon seeds. Does that sound weird? Let's kind of what it smells like. And I don't need a lot of this. This is like a really good moisturizer. And what I did was, I think they had a quiz and they gave recommendations of what products. So I kind of just went off of their recommendations for the most part. Oh, you guys, I actually really feel like I like this. I really do. This is actually kind of nice. I really think this all is so nice. Like, this is really nice. I feel really happy and pleasant with all of this. I think this is gonna be good for me. The lip mask is different than I'm used to. Let's try the strawberry one. Oh, okay, the strawberry one wasn't as like thick as the coconut. It tastes good though. I really like the strawberry a lot. But it does smell like that like artificial strawberry that you know, it's like the little kid lip glosses. But it tastes really good. I thought there was also a watermelon one, and that's the one I meant to get. Let me look at my Ulta app really fast. No, there's a gel moisturizer that's Good Mood. Oh, I might want to try their gel moisturizer because like their gel eye cream felt so good. I don't know how this eye cream would be under makeup, but I do like it for sure for at least nighttime. So far it feels really good. Okay, lip mask. Yes, they do have a watermelon one. I'm gonna add this to my Ulta cart. It says buy one, get one 40% off. I'd be silly not to. And they're only $10 each. So the one for my MLMs that I was getting was $25. I wanted to try Milk makeups and theirs was $25. And all of them were ranging in price. And when I saw these, I'm like, $10 is a good price, especially how fast I go through them. And with my kids, oh, that's the eye cream. With my kids using them too, like, I felt like $10 was a good price. I feel like I want to try the rose really fast. The rose is thicker like the coconut was. Let me see. So this is like more of the consistency of the coconut. So if you want like a firmer one that you just get a little bit on, this is good. I actually really like the rose, and I am so surprised by that. I didn't think I would like the rose at all, and I really do. Like, I really like all of this, and my skin feels really good. It is a little sticky, like it's all kind of sticky afterwards. That's the one thing I'm noticing, but like it might wear down differently. But I love the glow it gave me. Do you see that? And it feels really good. So I'm excited. I am going to use all of this for a month, and then I'll come back and I'll do a review, let you guys know what I thought of this skincare line. And that's all I've got for today. If you could do me a favor, because I am small, please give this video a thumbs up. It really, really helps me. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you do want me to do that video about why I left my MLM. And click the notification button or the notification bell so that way you can be notified when I post videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!